How to remove clicks and pops in WebPad. First of all, open WebPad on your computer and load the audio file containing clicks and pops by clicking File and then Open File, or simply drag and drop the file into the WebPad window. Next, go to the Effects menu at the top and select Cleanup from the drop-down options. In the Cleanup menu, choose the Click or Pop Removal. You will see two choices, Auto and Parametric. The Auto option automatically detects and removes clicks and pops using recommended settings, making it quick and easy for most cases. The Parametric option lets you manually adjust parameters like sensitivity, giving you control to fine-tune how aggressively WebPad removes unwanted noises. Start by trying the Auto option. If you want more control or the Auto option doesn't fully fix the issue, switch to Parametric and adjust the settings. Once you are satisfied with the audio quality and the clicks and pops are reduced or removed, click Remove Clicks to process the entire audio track. And that's it. Now you know how to remove clicks and pops in WebPad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.